Palantir Technologies, a company that absolutely skyrocketed in 2024, soaring by a remarkable 340%. This massive jump even outpaced the NASDAQ Composite's more modest rise of around 23% during the same period. Palantir specializes in software and analytic solutions for government agencies and commercial clients. Lately, it's been in the spotlight thanks to its advanced artificial intelligence platform, which helps businesses integrate generative AI into their day-to-day operations. As AI applications continue to grow, Palantir's recent performance suggests it's positioned to seize a major long-term growth opportunity. In this video, we'll take a closer look at Palantir's key drivers for future expansion, and we'll explore whether this high-flying AI player can maintain its incredible momentum in the coming years. Let's dive right in. Before we begin, this video is not an investment advice and must do your own diligence. However, with my experience investing for years, the content from this video has a solid research foundation. Check our Patreon on the description below for an inside members-only access on what are the best buys now. We will also update you on what to sell for gains or to avoid losses. Subscribe to our channel so you will never miss out. Organizations and governments often use artificial intelligence software platforms to develop, test, deploy, and manage AI applications in the cloud. Over the past couple of years, demand for these platforms has risen significantly as companies look for ways to boost efficiency by introducing generative AI into their day-to-day operations. Among the major players in this space, Palantir ranked in the top 5 providers in 2023, joining well-known names like Microsoft, Alphabet's Google, and Amazon. Despite the stiff competition posed by large tech companies that have substantial resources and established cloud infrastructures, Palantir has carved out its own place in the AI software market. In 2024, the company's quarterly results reflected this momentum. Palantir's revenue in the first quarter showed a year-over-year increase of 21%, followed by a 27% rise in the second quarter. The third quarter saw a 30% year-over-year jump to $726 million, bringing total revenue for the first 9 months of 2024 to just over $2 billion, an improvement of almost 27% compared to the same period in the previous year. This performance stands out even more when compared to the 15% increase in total revenue reported during the first 3 quarters of 2023. One of the key factors behind Palantir's accelerated growth in 2024 is its proactive approach to onboarding users for its artificial intelligence platform, often referred to as AIP. To help organizations adopt generative AI quickly, Palantir held specialized training sessions, often called boot camps, where participants learned how to use AI capabilities in their operations in just 5 days. In 2023, Palantir hosted over 500 of these boot camps. By 2024, the company increased the pace to nearly 5 sessions a day. This strategy paid off. The third quarter of 2024 saw Palantir's customer count climb by 39% year-over-year to 629, with commercial customers alone growing by 51%. These figures reflect stronger customer acquisition than what the company achieved during the same quarter of 2023, when overall customer numbers rose by 34% and commercial clients grew by 45%. Beyond the rise in total customers, Palantir has also noted that new clients gained through its boot camps tend to sign more substantial contracts after the initial phase. Management highlighted this trend during an earnings conference call in late 2024. As a result, the total contract value, often referred to as TCV, expanded by 33% year-over-year in the third quarter of 2024, outpacing actual revenue growth and indicating a healthy pipeline for future earnings. Additionally, Palantir's net dollar retention rate jumped by 11 percentage points year-over-year to reach 118%. This metric compares revenue from existing customers over the past 12 months to the same 12-month period a year earlier, suggesting that clients are spending more with Palantir over time. In summary, a combination of stronger customer acquisition, higher spending from existing clients, and effective strategies for integrating generative AI has fueled Palantir's success. As these factors come together, the company has managed to significantly expand its margins and carve out a leadership position in the competitive field of AI software platforms. Palantir operates in an early-stage growth market. Current estimates value the AI software platform sector at around $28 billion in the year 2023. This figure is projected to rise to $153 billion by 2028, indicating a compound annual growth rate of approximately 40%. As a result, Palantir's expansion may continue to gain momentum over the next few years, which could explain the recent increase in its growth forecasts. However, one potential hurdle for Palantir is its valuation. The company trades at a price-to-earnings ratio of 400, which is quite high. On the positive side, a forward earnings multiple of 154 suggests a significant jump in its profitability, supported by an expected 52% increase in earnings for 2024. Analysts anticipate relatively slower earnings growth for Palantir in 2025 and 2026. Even so, the rapidly expanding AI software platforms market and Palantir's growing customer base indicate that the company might surpass those expectations. Consequently, there remains a possibility of additional upside. Growth-oriented investors might consider maintaining their positions in Palantir, as this AI-focused stock could still have room to rise. Give us a like if you like our video, subscribe, and ring the bell to never miss out. Check our Patreon for an inside look on what are the best buy and sell stocks every week.